Wait, this is it! Yo! This is it! Oh my god! I found it! Yo, this is it! I went to go take a shit! This is it! What? I found it! Swimming on my ass off, man. I'm the king of shit, ain't thought I ain't getting in. I'm an ABD party, baby, I ain't getting in. Damn, we got split again. We don't know what else, man. We have the ass, we looking for everything we're red on. Blowing from us, that's the annoying. That's our key, hear me, it's roaring. Great to leave in a baby's born. Back in the murder, so we got around blowing. Put us in my mouth and down, so I'm saying, no, nigga born. Baby daddy born. I'm gonna play this born. I think I might go soaring. Say that good, I'm born. Hurry, I'm born. Oh, man. What's crazy is I woke up like, I gotta find that hoe today. Because I was watching the snippet earlier. It was either this morning or last night. I was like, bro. In the song, I literally said, back in the murder, so we in Ralph Lauren, so that was after Houston. I know I made the song the same, I vividly remember I had made the song the same week I had went to Atlanta and then LA. Because then I had made the Triller with Fine Shit. Then I was like, I knew that song was on repeat that same week. That's why I made the Triller to that song specifically. LAS, we looking for everything we're in. Blowing